Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Tracy. I'm back for another video, and yes, I'm back for more unboxing video for you guys. This is going to be Tory Burch unboxing. As I've mentioned before, we're going to do a lot of Tory Burch unboxing on my video due to that Thanksgiving, Black Friday, Cyber Monday haul. And you can hear in the background our dog keeps on walking. I cannot stop him from walking around, and we have to continue with our video. If you want to see what I have in this box from Tory Burch, please keep on watching. But before we start, welcome. I'm Tracy. I do bag unboxing videos, sometimes first impression review videos, and once in a while I do upload vlog video. If you happen to like my channel, please consider subscribing. And for all who already subscribed, thank you so much for coming back and for your support. Now, don't mind the dog. Let's go straight to our unboxing. I was surprised when I received this box and it's small. I know I ordered 2 items from here. For some reason, why is it smaller than what I expected? But we'll see. We'll see how it goes, if I like it or not. I still have time to return it. That's why I'm doing the unboxing, because I have done before that it's past the return time and I have to keep the bag. I'm just being proactive this time. So let's do this. Here it is. Here is our unboxing. Tory Burch. Oh yeah, I didn't ask them to wrap it as a gift, so I have 2 items here. This is small. Wow, this is small. And this is another one. This is what I've mentioned. Let's put this one down. That I ordered a smaller tote because I want to see the size difference between the 2, and I didn't see this one on sale. Like, I didn't see this one as part of their 30% off discount event. So let's begin with this one. Wow, if you didn't ask for a gift wrap, this is how it comes. This is how it looks like when they ship it. I'm surprised. I should have asked for a gift box, but anyway, let's remove it. I was expecting not this small, like a little bigger than this one, but it is quite small compared to the regular size tote. So it's the same with the snap closure on the side. Not really closure, it's just to make it cinched. It has that snap featuring. So the inside of the bag, it is magnetic, and it's just one big open tote with a zipper compartment at the back and slip pocket at the other side. I don't know if I like the size. We'll see. I'll look at this closely and compare those 2 totes, and I'll probably make a video comparison between those 2 sizes. But this is pretty much look alike, like same name, lioness tote, same print. It's just a different size. So yes, I don't know if I like it. It looks small, but yeah. It is small. It's like tight on my armpit, and I'm wearing a thin like cardigan. We'll see about that. That's our first item, the tote lining. This one is small too. I'm expecting a little bigger than this one because this is the smaller version of a Perry tote. I ordered the smaller version. I didn't expect it's going to be too small. It's just like the Portland Leather Goods mini crossbody tote. This one is a little smaller than that, and the mini crossbody tote is a little bigger. I didn't expect it going to be this small compared to the Perry tote. There's quite a big difference on their size. So yes, this is the Perry small triple compartment tote. This is in the color light umber. This is tiny. This was not on sale. This is full price, but they deduct 30% off the full price item. But a little, I didn't expect it. If I'm going to choose, I already have the Portland Leather Goods crossbody tote, and it's similar with this bag, except the middle compartment and plus the brand. This is a Tory Burch and that's a Portland Leather Goods, but I like my Portland Leather Goods mini crossbody tote. I'm not going to remove the other packagings that I cannot put back, so what I remove is just the packaging inside, and I can always put it back if I decide to return this bag. So the inner lining looks like gray, and it has that middle zip compartment, and it has a slip pocket. The slip pocket, let's look if my phone will fit in there. Ooh, it fits perfectly. Look at that. I have the iPhone Pro Max and it fits in there perfectly. So it has good size for your phone, which is nice, right? Because nowadays you just want to slip your phone in there and then good to go. It has its own spot. This one has a magnetic closure, just like so, and it looks like that when it's closed. And it has a long shoulder strap. Let's remove it. It has that clochette or a charm. How do you call this one for Tory Burch products? It has that Tory Burch logo under the inside the clochette, and it has that long shoulder strap. Can be used as a crossbody bag. It doesn't have that Tory Burch logo like you can visibly see right away. It just has that Tory Burch there. Oh, it has 4 feet at the bottom. So yes, this is the Tory Burch Perry tote. I like the color, I like the size, but I already have a bag like this. I don't know, I have to think about it. This is like a big difference with the regular Perry tote, and then all of a sudden like it shrinks. I have to decide on this bag. Let's do a quick try on. As a top handle, it looks like this. The crook of your arm. And as a shoulder bag, it looks like this. And a crossbody bag. It's nice. If I don't have a similar bag, this is really nice. And then let's try on the smaller Ella tote. So this is the bag. Let's put some stuffing inside so that you can see how it looks like when it has items. So you can use it at the crook of your arm and over your shoulder. It's a little small for me. Like it's like right under my armpit. I don't like it. But it's good for like on the go picnic, going out. You want a smaller tote. This is a good size. But I'm not sure about if I like the size for me. That's it for our unboxing video for today. The Tory Burch small Perry tote and the small Ella tote. I hope you like this video for today. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And also don't forget to hit that notification bell button so you get updated every time I upload a new video. Until next time, thank you for watching. Bye!